In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Paperform on a website. Whether you're looking to gather customer feedback, capture leads, or simply create interactive experiences on your site, integrating a Paperform form can be highly beneficial. So let's dive into the process and break it down step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your Paperform dashboard. This is where you'll have access to all your forms. From here, select the specific form that you'd like to embed on your website. Once you have the form open, look for the After Submission option and then click on Share. This action will guide you to the section where you can choose how to embed your form. Now, it's time to decide on the best way to display your form on your site. Click on Embed, and you'll be presented with multiple options. If you select the Inline Embed option, your form will appear directly on your page, seamlessly integrating within the existing content. This is great for forms that visitors should see immediately. If you choose the pop-up embed, the form will appear as a pop-up when a specific button or link is clicked. This is ideal if you want to minimize initial distractions, but still encourage engagement at the right moment. Lastly, there's the full page embed. This opens your form on an entirely new page within your site, offering visitors an immersive experience focused solely on the form content. Once you've made the choice that aligns best with your goals and website design, Paperform will generate a code snippet for you. This code is composed of HTML and possibly some JavaScript, and it's crucial for the final step of the process. Go ahead and copy this code snippet. It's what will allow your form to function and display correctly on your site. The last task at hand is to paste this embed code onto your website. Depending on the platform you use for your website, this might involve different steps. Generally, you'll want to access the HTML editor or custom code section of your website builder. Paste the code right into the section of your web page where you want the form to appear. If you're adding it as an inline element, make sure it's nestled appropriately amidst your existing content. For pop-ups or full page forms, ensure the embed code is linked to the right triggers or paths. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to integrate a Paperform form into your website. Keep in mind that embedding forms enhances your site's interactivity, providing a seamless mechanism for user engagement. Congratulations on expanding your website's functionality, and thanks for watching.